The conversation surrounding the allure of Mars compels us to reflect on our aspirations as Earthlings. With each endeavor into the cosmos, we come closer to not just understanding our universe but also to fortifying our survival as a species. The idea of transforming Mars into a second home invokes a spirit of exploration and resilience, driving innovations that may one day benefit both planets. The technological advancements paving the way for Mars colonization are nothing short of revolutionary. Reusable rockets have dramatically transformed space travel, making missions more accessible and sustainable. As we harness in situ resource utilization, we're increasingly able to rely on Martian materials, paving the path toward a self-sufficient presence on the planet. The development of sustainable habitats like biodomes illustrates our commitment to not only surviving but thriving in such extreme environments. Amidst these technological marvels, we must confront the environmental challenges that Mars presents. The lack of a protective atmosphere and a global magnetic field exposes potential settlers to life-threatening radiation. Developing habitats that can shield inhabitants from these dangers will be crucial, necessitating engineering solutions that draw upon both Martian and innovative materials. Similarly, while the discovery of water ice deposits raises hopes, extracting and purifying this vital resource will require sophisticated techniques that can operate under Martian conditions. Reinventing agriculture through hydroponics becomes essential, allowing us to grow food efficiently without fertile soil. The investment in psychological and physical health support systems is equally paramount, addressing the well-being of inhabitants who may face isolation and gravity-related health issues. The importance of international collaboration cannot be overstated as we embark on this Mars colonization journey. Cooperative efforts among space agencies are not only enhancing scientific initiatives but also strengthening global ties. For instance, joint missions to study Martian soil and atmosphere will provide invaluable insights, ensuring that knowledge is shared and utilized by all. Countries working together can also pool resources, reducing costs and accelerating the timeline to establish sustainable habitats on Mars, making it a shared endeavor rather than a solitary race. International partnerships will ultimately highlight the united human spirit as we reach for new frontiers. As we look ahead to the year 3000, the vision of human life on Mars begins to crystallize. Imagine a thriving colony, equipped with advanced technologies that allow people to flourish and explore this majestic planet. The integration of cutting-edge scientific research, sustainable practices, and international cooperation will be vital in realizing this dream. Ultimately, the journey to Mars isn't just about survival. It's about fostering a sense of unity and advancing human potential as we step boldly into the cosmos. As we navigate the ethical and societal considerations surrounding Mars colonization, the questions we face are profound. Should we reshape the Martian landscape, possibly endangering unknown ecosystems, or respect any existing life forms? The development of equitable policies regarding resource access will be vital, ensuring that all nations and individuals can benefit from Mars's riches. It is crucial that we establish frameworks and agreements that foster collaborative efforts, prioritizing the well-being of both Earth and Mars inhabitants. Ultimately, we stand at a crossroads where our decisions will shape not only our future on Mars but also our legacy as stewards of the universe. As we venture into the dreams of colonizing Mars, the blend of ambition and caution must guide our endeavors. Each technological triumph brings us a step closer, yet we must remain vigilant of the ethical dilemmas accompanying our exploration. Establishing a presence on Mars is not just about advancing science, it is about ensuring that our expansion reflects our values, nurturing a harmonious relationship with this enigmatic world. Through collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision, we can transform our aspirations into reality, echoing the indomitable spirit of the human race. The technological and ethical advancements in our Mars colonization journey pave the way for an inspiring future. As we finalize our strategies, we must embrace not only the scientific inquiries that drive us but also the moral implications of our actions. With forward thinking and global cooperation, we can ensure that our ventures beyond Earth will enrich all of humanity and cultivate a responsible approach to living on Mars. The excitement surrounding Mars colonization invites us to consider not just the advancements but also the responsibilities that come with interplanetary exploration. As we gather knowledge and experience from our endeavors, it is crucial to engage in meaningful dialogue regarding how humanity can ethically and sustainably inhabit another world. The goal is not merely to settle but to thrive, building a future that reflects our deepest values while fostering exploration and discovery. Ultimately, as we stand on the brink of this unprecedented journey, embracing cooperation and stewardship will be fundamental in shaping a positive legacy for future generations on Mars and beyond. As we contemplate the future of Mars colonization, it's essential to remember that our journey is not solely driven by technology or scientific ambition. It encompasses a broader vision of humanity's potential to work together, learn from one another, and create a society that values inclusivity and respect for the cosmos. By the time we are ready to step onto the Red Planet, we will have forged a path that prioritizes cooperation, ethical stewardship, and a commitment to nurturing life wherever it exists. The promise of uncovering the mysteries of Mars captures our imagination, beckoning humanity to stretch beyond its earthly confines. As we gather the tools needed for this monumental endeavor, it is essential to keep the spirit of exploration alive, reminding ourselves that the quest for knowledge and survival thrives on collaboration and ethical considerations. With each step toward colonization, we lay the foundation for a bright future, ensuring that our actions resonate positively across not just Mars, but the entire universe. As we dream of a future where Mars becomes a new chapter in human history, we must maintain a dual focus on innovation and ethics. By fostering an environment that cherishes collaboration and responsibility, we can ensure our journey into the cosmos is one marked by unity and respect for all life forms.